We are at Seal Beach, Main Street. It's still early. Cars are rolling in. Got a lot of amazing cars here today. This is Seal Beach, Southern California. This show is going to be on till about 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you guys are anywhere in this area, come check it out. I'm actually not going to stay for the show, but I wanted to film it, bring it to you guys. By the time everyone's lined up, this whole street is going to be filled with custom cars. And as you can see, the setting, it's a really nice street. It's a nice place to come, even if there's not a car show. But perfect backdrop. They'll be lining up the cars. Show is set to start at 9 a.m. today. So once we get everything lined up, should be good. Southern California's best classic custom cars, hot rods, retired emergency vehicles, rat rods. We got them all. Nomad. Of course, we got our volunteers here helping out. It's gonna be a really good, just that shot right there, that's a beautiful shot. Cars are looking amazing. They're lining them up. Morning. Long live the 80s. Check them out. It's really starting to pick up now. As you can see, Main Street's pretty long, so that whole street's going to be filled with custom cars. So if you got a chance, come check it out today. Goes all the way up that way.